Hi guys, it's Didi, and so we didn't do the video without. I mean, we did the video, but we didn't do the introduction or the ending without saying bye or hi. I don't know why. I think we forgot about it, but it's okay. I will do it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to bake a chocolate cake. Woo! And we are doing it at AI's house. Was I so? Yeah, and this is probably our first. Yeah, it's our first time baking a cake. So we don't know what. I'm not sure about the others. I've never baked anything before, cause I never wanted to. So yeah. So I'll be putting the ingredients inside. I'll put the name of it. I'll put how much. No, I'll just put the name of it. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoy the video. It's gonna be a long video, so get some snacks, get your wigs ready, and enjoy.